other ones just want to still lay down. They're not quite involved yet.
Y'all think it's time to go back in the taxi or what? They're going to the taxi.
Are they?
Yeah.